Today, you gotta eat Fajitas Stuffed Chicken. Yeehaw! Melbourne is in lockdown until the 23rd of September. Oh dear, so gotta eaters, you need to look after yourself with some healthy and delicious food. Today's recipe is a spicy dose of self-care, healthy and delicious and easy to make. So gotta eaters, strap yourselves in for some fajita stuffed chicken. Let's rock!
Here are the ingredients you'll need. Blend the spices together. Slice the capsicums and the onion. Put an oven-proof fry pan or skillet on medium heat, cover the bottom with a generous amount of oil and gently saute the capsicums and the onion. Sprinkle about 2 teaspoons of the spice mix on the vegetables. Take a sharp knife and carefully cut a pocket along the side of each of the chicken breasts. Then sprinkle each side of the chicken breasts with the spice mix. Once the vegetables have softened, stuff each of the chicken breasts with the mixture. If you're having trouble stuffing the chicken breasts, you can use toothpicks to keep it together. Once the chicken breasts have been stuffed, return them to the pan and brown each side. As an option, you can sprinkle the chicken breast with a cheese of your choice before placing it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, there you have it, beautiful fajita stuffed chicken breast. Yum. Plate the beautiful breast. Here I've served it with a green salad with avocado and tomato. Yeah, baby.
It's my favourite time, it's taste time. Nice and spicy, delicious. Thumbs up from GT. Yeehaw! If you like that great recipe, click like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and leave comments below, especially if there's something you'd like me to cook. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao. Yeah, baby. Ciao, baby. Ciao, baby. Sex. I think that'll do it.